Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on my friends. Can you believe we're getting close to Halloween? OMG, this whole year went by fast. So today I'm going to show you how to make some great treats to capture the Halloween spirit. This is also in collaboration. I am collaborating with my friends and my sisters Cyna and Irena over at the Country Hill Cottage. For our collaboration, we're going to make some Halloween treats. Irena and Cyna will be making 3 Halloween treats. They'll be making Creapy Crawler Chocolate Bark, Black Widow Lemonade, and Tirancula Truffles. OMG, my sisters, that sounds amazing and delicious. I can't wait to check it out. And y'all go check them out. They have a great YouTube channel. They do crafting and make some treats. Y'all would definitely enjoy them. Well, for our collaboration, I'm going to make some chocolate pumpkin brownies. And these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so simple and easy to make. Going to be bursting with chocolate and pumpkin flavors. It will be a great treat to make with your kids. And these brownies will be perfect to serve for your Halloween party. So grab your pureed pumpkin, your cocoa powder, your chocolate chips, and your flour sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate pumpkin brownie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 3/4 of a cup of melted unsalted butter, which is 1 stick plus 6 tablespoons. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to stir all this together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, the egg, sugar, and vanilla is nice and well combined. So over here I have 3 jumbo eggs at room temperature. We're going to stir them in one at a time. Alright my friends, I got all the eggs mixed in. So over here I have 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour. We're going to stir this in gradually. And stir the flour in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up the brownie batter. So now we're going to separate half the batter into 2 bowls. Alright my friends, I have divided both my brownie batters because we're going to make 1 pumpkin and 1 chocolate batter. First, let's get started on the pumpkin batter. Alright my friends, for the pumpkin batter, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. The video to that down below in the description box. Half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract. 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. And 1/2 cup of pureed pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And we're going to blend all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring the pumpkin filling in. And it smells so good. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the cocoa batter. Alright my friends, in my other bowl, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm using the minis. 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract. And we're going to stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring the chocolate chips and the cocoa powder in. Oh, I just love the smell of chocolate. Alright, so now we're ready to assemble our brownies. Alright my friends, I'm going to bake my brownies in a 9x13-inch baking pan that I lined with foil. And we're going to spoon the chocolate batter in first, and then the pumpkin batter. And then we're going to repeat those steps, ending with the pumpkin batter. Alright my friends, I got all my batter together. So that's for the final step. Using a clean knife, we're just going to swirl it like this. We're going to make it into a swirl. Alright my friends, now we're ready to put our brownies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, ain't nothing like the smell of freshly baked brownies straight out of the oven. It smells incredible. Alright, so I'm taking them out of the oven. Don't they look good? And look at that swirl on them. All right, so now we're gonna let our chocolate pumpkin brownies cool completely, and then I'll cut them in the squares and I'll plate them up. I want to show y'all my Halloween plate. They look pretty, shaped like a jack-o'-lantern. All right, so now we're gonna put our brownies onto the pan. And there you have it, my friends, chocolate pumpkin brownies. And those look magnificent and delightful. All right, I'm about to pick me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Lord have mercy, that looks so good. And that garnish it with some whipped cream and some chopped walnuts is about to go in my belly. Here we go. Look at that texture. See how nice and soft. Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness. It just melts in your mouth. Great balance of flavors. I can taste the pumpkin, the pumpkin spice, and the chocolate. My friends, if you're gonna make these chocolate pumpkin brownies, gotta do a double recipe because you'll be out of these in no time. Everybody will love these brownies. This deserves another bite. Trick or treat! Brownie-licious. Wow, Irena and Cyna, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. Thank you again. And I'll post a link to their channel and their amazing Halloween treats down below in the description box. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and happy Halloween. Woo!